I can't seem to focus when you don't seem to notice I'm not here. I'm just a mirror. You check your complexion to find your reflections all alone. I had to go. Can't you hear me? I'm not coming home. Do you understand? I've changed my plans, 'cause I'm in love with my future. Can't wait to meet her, and I'm in love, but not with anybody else. Just wanna get to know myself. I know supposedly I'm lonely now. I know supposed to be unhappy without someone. But aren't I someone? To be your answer, 'cause you're so handsome. But I know better than to drive you home, 'cause you didn't let me in, and I'd be yours again. But I'm in love with my future, and you don't know her, and I'm in love, but not with anybody here. I'll see you in a couple years. This song hasn't been perfected because it's just come out a few hours ago. I just wanted to get it out to you as quickly as possible so you can start practicing too. If you've got any suggestions or any corrections, because it is new and I've just done this, do feel free to comment below and tell me what could be improved to help everyone else in this community. I've made a tutorial video. I'll be placing a link right here. I'll be posting it too, so watch the description